My name is Mark Vetzel. I work with Synesis International. We are a business management systems provider out of Greenville, South Carolina, and we have been implementing ERP and quality management systems for about 25 years. Primarily, our products are SAP Business One, which is a ERP system designed for small to mid-sized manufacturers. Manufacturing is our sweet spot, so it's kind of in our DNA. It's where we came from 25 years ago, and it's kind of the industry or the vertical that we know the best. Skyline has been great. Our rep has been there every step. We had a show last week. She came around to make sure the booth was okay, and it was. And so we like to follow up, and we like working with her. Well, Skyline has been around for a while, so it's an organization that we've known about for a long time. I know Steve Hoffman from a bocce ball tournament I was in 7 years ago, and so Skyline has been around for a while. They're in our world, they're kind of the as far as we're concerned, kind of the leader. Again, they are in our backyard. They've been around for a long time. I've used them in a previous life, and so decided to work with them again. What surprised me most about working with you? I don't know if there's any surprises. I think there was just more confirmation about why we would work with you.